Tai atu I taku rahinga, te haere mai te noho, ngātahi mai ki takata. Come on, hamai te noho. Oh, tarai. Haramai te noho. Yeah, just take a seat. Take a seat. Haramai, yeah, Janie, haramai. Hoi, come on. Come on. Come on, Case. Kia kaha. Hey, whānau, Maria Minoina, hihi ana koe te noho mai ki konei, kia kita. Oh, beautiful. That's leadership.
One of the things that's really, for me, turn or kaupapa weekend in kaupapa is to actually get funding for the whole of Taitokerau, to design and talk about and implement, not only talk about, implement a process where our whānau, first and foremost, are in a position to be able to take care of themselves I roko I ngā piki me ngā heke. It's not doing something new, it's going back to something old and creating something new. And you know, and no matter where we go, e aiki te kōrero, tātou katoa heke mai I rahiri, so it's not a problem doing the whole taitokerau whenua kaupapa, because all of us descend from the one tupuna. And I think, you know, our whole monitoring and our whole evaluating type of things about how well we're doing or not is actually far more dynamic than what anybody else could impose on us. So if you don't get it right, Pākehā nei, you lose your money. If you don't get it right, Māori nei, you lose your mana.
Kanuku kaneke ke kanuku kaneke o titiro ki ngā taio tōgara ue horan ki tua me he pipi wharauroa takoto te pai ko takoto te pai. O ti hewa mauri ora ki te whai au ki te ao marama tēnei ka tuake nei mui a koutou e aku nui aku rahi. E te alawa tangata, te alawa waka, tēnei te iti o roto mai o hau o Ngāti Hine mihi kauana, tēnā koutou, kia ora la tātou katoa. Hoi no ka huri tūnga mihi kia koutou ko tūhono mai I runga I tēnei ahuaranga hau a tātou, kia tui mai I nei tuinga tangata a tātou, kia rongo te nui, kia rongo te rahi, nau piki mai, nau haere mai, nau kake mai, ki roto I tēnei kaupapa kōrero, kia wahaina e tātou I te rānei. Ko ai tēnei, tēnā koe e Chief, ko waiho tēnei uri hakatupu, tēnei tūkau no te māro hine amaru he whakawahaina ko waia kia koutou e te nui e te marea, ko higurangi te maunga, tau mārere te awa, ko otiria te marae, ko te porowini te whare tupuna, ko tūmātauenga te whare nui, ko te puna I keteriki te whare manaki tangata, ko Ngāti Tiara, Ngāti Kōpaki Ngahapu, ka taiho ake ki tēnei iwi hau, ko Ngāti Hine e tūnei, tēnā koutou katoa. Tēnā koe. Firstly, I did want to, I wanted to start with that kōrero because as my tuakana from Matawaia did allow me the time to, I suppose, he graciously accepted to speak on behalf of Te Tai Tokerau, which allowed me a bit more time to put together this very scrambled and rushed presentation. So, kia koe taku tuakana, e mihi nui ana kia koe otira ki tō whaia. Hara e nei mana tunga e nei taonga nui ka tahi anō ko taka mai te rangi kahore. Nā, tēnā ka mihi atu kia koe otira ki tō whānau, tēnei e mihi ana. Auntie Moi, how cool. So it comes back to, I suppose, what Dr. Kitty was saying yesterday in Anahira. You know, the frameworks that we have, and I suppose the accountability we put on ourselves is actually much greater than those posed to be put on us. But if I really wanted to touch that last one is that if you kare e tika mo te Pākehā, ka ngaro o moni. Kare e tika mo te Māori, ka ngaro tō mana. So, he koe, haere ana tātou ki hea. But this is us, our whānau ora collective. You know, iau e timatake ana I tēnei kōrero aku, you know, papaki tūana ngā tai ki te reinga. Papaki kauana ki roto o te kao, reira whakawhiti ora pai. You know, we come back into kaitaia muri whenua, koutou rai te rahinga, o tērā era waka o mātou, tēnei kamihi. Ngāti kahu, te hiku haura, te arawanga mua, and then we come back over this side of the mangamukas, and then we're in the Ngāpuhi territory. Hokianga haura, Ngāpuhi, iwi social services, and te haura o Hokianga, and aroha mai e ANT, tēnei huihuinga hau, kāre anō tēnā tono ko tukua mai, but hei, tēnei kamihi atu kia koe o tira ki tō mātou matua, a hone, katahi anō ia ko wehe. Hara mai I roto ki roto I ahau, ko tērā whare a tātou e kia nei he iwi kotahi e noho mai nā ki roto Moerewa, ko mātou o Ngāti Hine Haura e tū nei I roto o Kawakawa, o tira o whāngarei te terenga prawa, e mihi kauana ki era hapu e nā torotoro ngā tātou. Ka taira watu ki ko, te ākauroa Ngāti Wai tēnā e karanga mai nā, ko kia ora Ngāti Wai e tūra, ko te haua whio, ko tātou tēnā. Ko tāpiri here I etahi o ngā hoa. I've added a couple of our other Māori providers within our network that we continually work with, our kaipara friends down here. We did have our recently lost matua from over at He Korowai Trust, and so just showing that it's beyond whānau ora for us. And as I say that, you know, we're haere tonu ana ngā kōrero I roto I tēnei, just to unpack a bit more, because I think what matua John I tēnei ata tamihere tēnei kamahi atu kia koe hoki, nau I karangatia I tēnei wānanga tātou. But just to state that, you know, we are a mixture of all the fabrics and fibres of te Tai Tokerau. We're made up of iwi, we're made up of iwi subsidiaries, and then we're also made up of independent partners that sometimes carry a Ngāti Hine name. But in saying that we work beyond just whānau ora. Some recent kaupapa that have been, placed before us to contemplate over the next couple things, next couple years, IMPB establishments, you know, with that kōrero there, iwi, Māori, the partnership that needs to take place, and koia ngā kōrero ākua nei. Corrections and Māori pathways, plenty mahi that needs to go in there, as we all know. Oranga tamariki reform and the devolution of funding in that space. Justice courts, te ao marama, and I ka mihi katika ki taku matua, Ngāhau Davis, kōkiri tonu nei I tēnei kaupapa. And I think that just shows as well that we don't necessarily have to be in the room to be everywhere. Kia tupu kia ora. We were just having a good wero outside over there around this kaupapa, so we'll be having another kōrero ākua nei mo tēnei kaupapa, but that's a workforce development opportunity through MSD around ensuring our...
so our kaupapa here...
Sorry, I'm not ready for that one yet. That kia tupu kia ora workforce is just around ensuring our existing staff have the ability to then move forward in a workforce development program for the next 2 years. And then it's also an opportunity for our network and our provider network within Te Tai Tokerau to reach out to their tai tamariki in offering 19 cadetships across our network. He timataranga, kautanga noi ho tēnā. Hoino. I think this is COVID round 1, this next slide. Kia ora.
So our kaupapa here today is we have got a bulk supply of kai from foodstuffs, and we've got about 100 to 120 pallets that we will be allocating out across 12 iwi across Te Tai Tokerau. So relationships have been key. There's heaps of people that we need to big ngā mihi mahana out to. We wouldn't be able to do it without the support of MSD, Eru Linden and his team. We've also got Arthur, who gave us this warehouse last night at 6:30, so that's Motorbarn Whangarei. We've got all the iwi supporting us here today. Todd from Pack and Save and Foodstuffs, Ngāti Hine have come in with massive kai mahi to help tautoko and break down the 100 to 120 pallets that have to go across 12 iwi. So we were looking at about 4,800 boxes. So the community and whānau reach will be huge. It will be in the thousands. It's been in the plan and the pipeline for about 2 to 3 weeks, but it's literally all come together in the last 48 hours. Because logistics have changed, mechanisms, everything's changed. So what was to be a smaller consignment has been tripled in size. So to be able to allocate for across the 12 iwi.
Heke ana te wera I tēnei rai hoama, but yeah, we've got a few whānau, kaimahi who have shown up from different services at Ngāti Hine Health Trust to come and tautoko the kaupapa. So we're picking some kai for our whānau out there. Although it's level 2, engari ko te whakaaro nui he kai, me etahi tapu tapu hei awhina I a rātou I tēnei wā o te mate uruta. But yeah, it's going hard, sweating here in Whangarei, the sun is out, can't complain. Yeah, pretty good.
E hoa tēnei kaupapa, e kaupapa I tīmata hia I roto te rōpū te kāhui o Taunui. Nā rātou I tuku te tono, ki ngā hunga e pupuri kai ana foodstuffs mā I roto Tāmaki. Kia rapuhia etahi kai mō tātou whānau I roto tai tokerau I tēnei wahanga o te COVID. Me mihi kau atu ki ngā iwi katoa I roto te taitokerau. Nā kite ana koe, I raro I tēnei kaupapa, ka taia tātou ki te mahi tahi. No reira, mihi nui ana kia tātou katoa.
Ka pai. Ka pai. I think what I wanted to touch on that one is mā te mahi ngātahi, ka hua ko te mahi tahi, ka hua ko ngā painga mo a tātou ātai hoa. And I suppose in that one video, I think it showed how iwi and Māori providers united and worked together to ensure whānau were looked after and taken care of during that pandemic, their first one there in Te Tai Tokerau Whānui. This then, I suppose, through the reforms that had been coming along and been long in the pipelines, and we've known about them since 2018, 2019, as those kōrero started to circulate. So there was a tono in Te Tai Tokerau for our Māori collective, Māori Health Provider Collective, to get together and start addressing what could that possibly look like. And ko te hua I puta mai I tēnei huihuinga, tēnei wānanga, e kia nei ko tēnei tono I puta I tēnei rōpū was the Te Ramaroa Ākupe. And that was the reimagining oranga in Te Tai Tokerau. Ka puta, and I think where we're going with the kōrero that has been shared here today is about our interdependence around relationships and how we utilise that collective, I suppose, clout to exercise what can be done on a bigger stage for our whānau and ensuring that that gets there as well too. So ka mihi ka tika kia koutou e Tāmaki, Herenga Waka, Herenga Tangata, and Tāmaki, the Pai Herenga Waka Collective, coming to Otiria Marae, a very special place. A lot of great people come from this place. Thank you for getting my joke, cuz. Yeah. But anei ngā hua. I think if we start thinking about the patch protection that has arisen again, that was spoken about yesterday, it's even around the cutting up of our regions and moving forward into that conversation around IMPBs and so on. But knowing that we can work interregionally, we can work nationally. It's shown here, it's shown through COVID, and I think the opportunity for us to go forward looks a bit like this. Just some mahi. We may have not quite gotten to the 63,000 vaccinated e te marae o Manukau, but heoi, I think this was shared as part of a tono we put together for the Māori communities, fund for the Māori Health Provider Network within Te Tai Tokerau, and just highlighting some of the mahi that had been done on the front line for the vaccinators to help, I suppose, alleviate some of the stresses that they were feeling. And ko te hua I puta, I think we were able to secure a little bit of funding that I'll speak about after. This slide here is, I think might have been unique to Te Tai Tokerau, but I'm not here to cut anybody's grass. Heoi, anei ngā hua I puta. The north was, I suppose, I wāwāhia e Te Tai Tokerau kia whā. We had Te Hiku Delta Hub up in Muriwhenua. We had our Mid-North Hub, mai te Taitama Wahine ki te Taitama Tāne, hoki rawa mai ki roto I a mātou, and the Lower Mid-North Hub, and also our whanaunga over in the Kaipara. I suppose what this shows is that with localities and the discussion that's on the way, that this could possibly be something that just is picked up and dropped over. Hey, but that could be an opportunity. He kōrero no tēnā, mo tētahi atu rā. But Me mihi ka tika ki te NDHP, me misti o roto I a mātou te taitokerau, for at least standing up our SIQ response and allowing a kaupapa Māori to be at the forefront of the coordination of care for our whānau, to which I suppose, you know, aha ko tāna piki ana heke, ko te painga I puta nā mātou anō te kaupapa I karawhiu. Ngā tini whetū. I'm not too sure how touchy this is for all of us, but I think I want to speak to whiria ngā hua. Whiria ngā hua. The opportunity for us to be innovative, the AIP, and the possibility with what we've learned through Ngātini Whetū and how successful that was in our individual organisations and regions. But then with this new fund, how do we use it? How do we allow it to be a seed fund for that matter? Proposals going out to ministries and say, hey, we're going to put real skin in the game. What are you going to do? What are you going to do to ensure what happened with Ngātini Whetū is successful going forward and sustainable going forward? He whakaaro noho. I'll let this one do the talking. Oh, have you got any tunes?
It's always lonely at the top. You can only rely on yourself. Set a great champion. Only moments before he fell, he cried. Many hands make the light work. Going solo might turn good to so-so. That's why we go. Many hands make the light work. Going solo might turn good to so-so.
Kia ora. I know that this happened across our collectives. I know this happened in Muri Whenua with the kaupapa that they ran up there to congratulate our whānau who did well during the COVID pandemic. And that was amazing. Auntie Cherie Waitai and them up in Ngāti Kuri, you know, to congratulate the whānau they took up the opportunity to take care of their whānau. And apologies, that's only terribly Ngāti Hini centric because that's all I had availability to Ina Pora. But in saying that, we know that this didn't happen in isolation. We could see that it happened across all our collectives here in Aotearoa, and I want to mihi to the celebration that took place in regards to allowing our people to come out, you know, in a safe way, and the opportunity to at least have another engagement for them to do safely. But in saying that, now there's no more pūtea for these kaupapa. Now that our whānau have high expectations of us, heka, where to next? I think in saying that, I want to speak to a entity that has been stood up in this time, and that's Taitimu Taipari. But through that, I know that there was some pūtea that was tonoed for and made available to Te Rārangi Ingoa ki raro nei. And the opportunity for Taitimu Taipari going forward is, we believe, as a regional commissioning entity that actually advocates on behalf of the Māori provider network that allows us to focus solely on the mahi. But at the end of the day, you know, it's still in its infancy. It still needs a lot of work. And there's a lot of kōrero that needs to be had for us to move forward with this kaupapa. So the aspirations of this entity is to be a further voice for the Māori provider network within Te Tai Tokerau, to allow us to focus on the mahi so that the likes of yourselves, the likes of ourselves aren't wearing 23 hats, and ensuring that we're talking to the right funders, that ensure that we're minimising at least all the blink and sporadic conversations that need to be had around the running to and running from, to make sure that we're there for each hui. So at this stage, we are working within the kōrero for the IMPB, housing, the justice, the police, and Oranga Tamariki, conversations, but that are all right at the infancy stages and that are just starting to gain traction. And tēnā pia a konei ka ki te hua, tēnā pia kaore rānei. I think for us this is the next horizon. And the next horizon is actually on our doorstep whether we like it or not. That Iwi Māori Partnership boards, and within Te Tai Tokerau, we have a couple submissions that are sitting at the table. And I think, at this stage, what the opportunity to and is for us in Te Tai Tokerau is to create that level playing field so that we can raise the ceiling for our whānau. COVID showed us how we could work together, and we did it brilliantly. It's just how do we continue to work together meaningfully, respectfully, and ensure that both parties and all parties, and not saying that we're not there for our whānau, but our whānau are there, ka pai. I think in closing, or heck, before I start this one, I am going to be a bit hoha to you fellas, but this last one is just to show that we celebrated our 30th year for Ngāti Hine Hauora, and who we're going to introduce next are two of the founding trust members. So in saying that, I'm going to leave this kōrero to them, and then I'll close up, and that's us.
Hikurangi titiro ki Pauerua titiro ki rākau manga, go rākau manga titiro ki manaya titiro ki tuhu te moe titiro ki tāra i ora hiri, te tāra i ora hiri titiro ki hikurangi, ki ngā kie whāwhānui o wenuku e.
Actually, it was Sir James Henry approached me in the street and asked me if he said, he mahi taku mo, got a job for you. And I was cheeky as anything and never, not a problem. And I guess he said, ka rongo koe aku anei. So he said, you'll hear from someone.
Once word goes through our valley, you find out that, we all need to jump on board this waka.
I felt that the best way to do something about health is to come back home and start at the bottom. You don't start at the top to do things like that. And then I realised also that you have to be a health model yourself if you want to try and tell other people to be healthy.
Put my swag on, and what we found out was that it was an overnight wānanga, it was a weekend wānanga up at Kevin Prime's place. We had spent, Kevin had actually given us the intro in regards to what to, where to, how to from now, and what this picture was going to look like. And it was from that we stayed up till about 2-3 o'clock in the morning trying to find the core nucleus of this health kaupapa that we wanted to get up and running.
That's how those early stages, all our early meetings were normally at home, and I suppose that's where I tend to acknowledge that people that had made that happen a lot was my own immediate family. The Margaret was the one that cooked kai whenever we had meetings, and people came from Auckland and then they stayed the night, so we cooked kai for them that night, and then the next day, and we and we're having to carry that all the time, write minutes, do lots of things. And I suppose it was from there that I felt that there was a need to start something in our local community. So we started off with a sort of a small health committee, just based really around the Motatau community. At that time, there was a Motatau Māori committee. Their job was basically to look at the social, economic and cultural well-being of people in your community.
Hei whakarāpopoto i ēnā kororo, kia kaua koutou e moe. But that was the inception of te whakaaro nui, and then le pērā no tā koutou ki tā koutou nā kōrero as well too, mō tō koutou ahunga mai. And saying that and then cutting it short, me mihi ka tika ki ēnei rangatira aku, ki ēnei nui aku, ēnei tai tuara aku. Ki te kore ko rātou ko ngā kaimahi, ko ngā kaihautu i a tātou waka, because I think at the end of the day, if there's no workforce, then there's horekau he aha. And I think that's what one takeaway for me is that for all of us is that we all do have the doers. We all have the kaimanaki, we all have the navigators, and we all have the opportunity to continue delivering to our whānau. So tēnei kamihi atu. Kia koutou ki te kore ko koutou, kore tēnei kaupapa e tū. Nā reira, hei whakarāpopoto ake i nei kororo. E mihi ana ka koutou, mihi ana ka tātou. Mauri tū, mauri oho, mauri tau, mauri ora.